Welcome back. In this video, we're going to introduce two new moves and their opposites, and two algorithms that are very, very simple. Those are going to serve us toward our next step. So we begin with moving the front face 90 degrees clockwise. We call this F uppercase. So this is F uppercase. And you can imagine that this is F lowercase. So again, let's see it from a better perspective. It's the front face to the right. So that's F uppercase. And this is F lowercase. So F uppercase, F lowercase. I'm going now to introduce one algorithm that goes with this. I'm going to call it the upper F algorithm. And it goes like this. So you do the upper F, then you do the righty, and then you do F prime. So I repeat, the upper F algorithm is F uppercase, your righty, F prime uppercase. So if you want me to describe it all with letters, then we have F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So this is the upper F algorithm. And I'm going to introduce one more algorithm, which I'm going to call the little f algorithm. So the little f, the lowercase f, so let's call it the lower f and the upper f. So the lower f is to move not just the front face to the right, but the two front faces to the right. So this is little f, lower f, and this is lower f prime. Lower f prime. Remember, you had upper f prime, lower f prime. So I'm going to now show you the lower f algorithm, which is the analog of the upper f algorithm. So what you do is lower f righty and lower f prime. I repeat, lower f righty and lower f prime. So if you want me to give you all the letters, then I have lower f, R, U, R prime, U prime, and lower f prime. So we learned two new algorithms. The upper f algorithm, which is upper f, R, U, R prime, U prime, upper f prime, and the lower f algorithm, which is lower f, R, U, R prime, U prime, lower f prime. So please repeat these two algorithms as many times as possible, because this is the only thing that you will need for the next step that we're going to describe. Thank you so much for watching this video.